Welcome back to the state of From Zero Developer. This is lesson 6 and you'll be learning about single tag. So let's begin. As you all know, we'll be hitting the our developer.com folder again. Yeah, you remember these files, the index.html file. We're going to open this up with Notepad so that we can edit the markup while we still open this with Chrome so that we can view our code changes on the browser. Now, watching the previous videos, I noticed some typo errors. First is in this one we have row 2 column 1, which is wrong, so we're just gonna quickly correct that as row 1 column 2 right there, man. And then the spelling of the paragraph, we just change that to, what the hell did I just do? Yeah, we just change that to paragraph double tag. Yeah, so yeah, we're back on track. And in this tutorial, just single tags. So we just create, I think we should create it before the double tags, right? So let's do that before the double tags. Let's do the h1 again. I'll close the h1 and let's say single tag examples, single tag examples. Yeah, so I'll be bringing the first single tag that we'll be using. We'll be using the HBR tag, for breaking into the next line. And let's just refresh that. So there's a BR tag existing here that we can't see. We cannot see that because it doesn't appear. It just creates a new line. So let's just put a break, line break. Yeah, next single tag we can add to our collection is the horizontal line. So the horizontal line, we can get that with the HR. This is a beautiful single tag, man, because it creates a long line. You see this line here? Yeah, it was brought by the single tag HR, which is the horizontal line. Next, for our single tag, as we all know, is the image, sorry, the img tag. The image, yeah, was an img tag instead. So with the image, you just put, let's just put a prefix right there. And the image tag does not work without an src attribute. So right now the image tag is really confused on its own purpose until we put in an src attribute, which we just did. And this src will point into an image file. So let's just copy what we have up here, and let's just copy almost everything we have up here, or whatever. Let's just copy the never give up, and scroll down to our single tag again and paste it here. What did I just do? Something was not right. Okay. Scroll down. That should work. So never give up. And we don't want it to be too large, so let's just give it a width. So this is HTML attribute and value for the image tag, and we just give the width of 40. Give the width of 40, and we have our image right there. So this very small image with a width of 40. Yeah, and that's another single tag from our single tag stash. So this just kind of demonstrates single tags in a jiffy. There are lots. The input tag too. The input tag is a single tag. I know we've all gone through the single and double tags too, but I just wanted to make sure that we're getting it right. Yeah, we just take just a few minutes to talk about the tags to give you a clear understanding of how they are structured. So you might go online to find more single tags if you want to, but in your normal day-to-day HTML programming, you would use most of this frequently. So with the input tag, you can do type, which is a value with an attribute and value pair specific to the input tag. So you will never have this you never have any reason to use a type attribute on an image single tag, because there's no type attribute for image single tag. So here we just do text and do placeholder goes to first name, yeah. So this is a single tag right there, and it's beautiful. So we already have this. Let's push that single tag to the next line. I already know I already assume you know how to do that from our last video. Is with the BRR single tag again to push that that input field to the next line, and that's that about that. So this just clearly defines the distinction between single tags and the double tag. The single tags just have one piece of one piece of the tag, and the closing is just appended to the end, while double tags have both pieces, front and back, appended with a forward slash. So please always endeavor to use a forward slash, not a backward slash. So this is really going to get HTML confused. So always endeavor to use the forward slash.